eto aba ewiye ewo afia etwam December 7 2020 Oman Ghana ye chese ye nti aso entimi enko edidie ewo abatu yi eho de biara eda dane da ewo ensema epiefru mu ede eba na disese die amadodo na ekasa na se chese wo mu enwu ne se court krampo na ensem no ekoye krampo na chese ehu hia ebra chese na NDC amanyoko no ehwehwe ni mu se ye maame Mensa ebekwa ko gina witness box no mu na cho no so baba bekasa na nsemfo amienu miense bi ebebusa na obeya no wo twetwe wo na yase na dodo na empne se wo ye maame Mensa bekwa ko pie mu wo ho now Supreme Court judge tie afa mienu no ensem no ewie no wo gina so eka asem enya de se ye maame Mensa ebeba beteki stand ewo witness box no akwakoya ade a aha wo mu eye pa eye ni nyina every brothers ye maame ebebe make declaration ede efa 2020 abato no ehun na oba bonten ebebe pronounce say ye mampanyin is excellence na nabudan kwa Akufo Addo no na chese wo ye obetimi edi wo man no eso anase dodo na no anase mpanifo na timamufo no wo mo ekire ya anase wo mo promoti wo mo edi eyi no akwa ye NDC fo no ede ma protest demonstrations dey ebi ekoso na so edru pepe so bi na so ndo mu se eye court na ewo se wo mo emfa enkwa kopie mo ha dan na chese court etu ensem no ede ehye eda say the why na adin sem on the 17th of February na afanu ni nyina ba bagugo wo mo enkuro wo mo ngwabo wo mo nyoma anu na no mo wo mo nkuro for the last no so enina so emfa emeki declaration na said the day no Supreme Court judge ejina mu ka say ya maame Mensa etimi embejina witness box ni mu epeno na ama yem papa ni din ede Kwaku Azam ateki to ni page esu ni Facebook post esu esan say di no ye social commentator na what dey message titi due ama maame Mensa say one day so we will see taxpayers money so what they filing unnecessary appeal ewo court no na sika no ebetimi dia ye enyoma ese na efa eta ewo wo mayi emu sense chese wo de ebeye nuhu eyi na ebusiafo nensem no say na wo de etu dwa na mama me kwan na menkenkan emfa emam wo say what exactly are they hiding? You are an examined body. You have given an examination. You claim people have failed. They claim they could not have failed unless Wagadre day inside. So they want to review and remark their examination. You say no. They take you to court. After the usual court delay, the High Court orders you to do what you should have done from day one. Give them a path to review and remark their examination. The directive came in October 2020. Here we are in February 2021. You are still refusing to do the right thing. Using taxpayers' money to file unnecessary appeals. And this is a body compromising of Supreme Court justice. Why won't #SARS be disenfranchised? Why won't the election manager refuse to? Abusiafo na chese nensem one wodi etu eja wo busa se nyoma we nyina akọ eso ye hwehwemu bibia se ye epiepie emu na se ni nyina mu no ye ntimi nya adebaba bi amfimu na se wo use taxpayers money na edi wuduma na wo se no abra ye betimi dia ye enyoma pa ni nyina mu ne ye ma wo kokobo a chese ye bo wo kokko efri bra wo ye wa adwen that was in a year October according to Nancy Musa no bi etu edwa a chese ni nyina mu no ye ma ekwan se ka betimi aye enyoma na nso so uchuzi ye say enya de say wo be ye up till now see abebe pie mu ewo February Bosom in 2021 emu still na no say enyoma engusu enko eye dia na ene edenya na wodi esiem because waba be make a declaration na say wo mo enje entum na wo mo ede etu eye edwa na say ni nyina mu no yeso onsa emma kwan dia ene wo bisa say why it wants the election manager refuse to mount the box to explain a petitioner why his theory of an election outcome is incorrect. Why won't young people go into politics to do amass wealth? We need #GoGo desperately. We any a year and so much as a year at home. I will say a year easy. Penny and as election manager, who refuses to mount a year witness box mu. I explain a year petitioner no. One month some of my day aba ede apa and some when a birthday and mabunu so true and a month one month so a year politics all in the name of say one more acquire a year word because they say no or man will say so ubenya won't now bet me for motor again. Then the mian is all do humera and the any a cow a Daniel Diana wope within 4 years Ukonya support to a bina na year well take up on your soul and quandia near my position soon a year worth the properties meaning I will bet me enya na say yes answer so a busa for or mine a bit me to a year and form. Now what should say the normal airport with a year court issue name the young papa a airport azad yaba to a year just a year mammy when I so you say a taxpayers money what the air unnecessary things now then I'll bet me I can't edit. How do you see the outcome of a court hearing? Saying that a basic aqua ede apple from they want they be near the chair be do something so yeah they say court Supreme Court judge ashes after no and for 1 month some no to do why not also say a go in favor of and why not would you say a go against of na say they go against of no so no a foot obey and I would they man ede afa and semi fabric too much GH comment section like a videos na share or other social media platform so follow your IG page and your Twitter page so to my GH_ meeting at the crazy kappa.